He lifted a 200-kilogram stone and hurled it straight into the well. He hoped that the splash would be strong enough, just enough water to wash his hair, but every time the splash either flew too far away or soaked his pants instead. Still, he couldn't give up, because if his hair wasn't clean, the monks of Shaolin Temple wouldn't let him stay, and he could never learn kung fu. Day after day, he kept throwing stones into the well. He never realized that while the water never reached his hair, his arms were growing stronger with every throw. After a month, he began to understand the rhythm of the splash. Now he could not only wash his hair while standing, but even while balancing upside down on his hands. His power had grown so much that he could lift 100-kilo stones with ease. Finally, he managed to wash his hair clean. The next morning, he proudly went to the master. "Master," he said, "my hair is clean now." But the old monk smiled. He had already seen through the lie. The man was a fake monk, wearing a wig. When the master tried to pull it off, the man dodged quickly, his body now fast and powerful from a month of training. He begged, "Please, master, teach me kung fu." But the master flipped him to the ground and tore the wig away. The man froze. He thought the master would expel him. Instead, the master offered him a deal. "If you rebuild the Shaolin roof alone, I will teach you." He agreed instantly. Day and night, he worked tirelessly with bamboo poles, but every time he saw the Shaolin students practicing below, he couldn't resist copying their moves. His hands were cut, his body bruised, but he never stopped. Even in his sleep, his arms twitched with kung fu forms. He grew stronger, more agile, more obsessed. After a year, the roof was finally complete. But then, the master said something shocking. "Now, tear it down." The man's anger exploded. He leapt from the roof, storming toward the master. The students surrounded him, and the master said calmly, "You are not ready. Leave the temple." The man was devastated. But what he didn't know was the master had seen everything. He knew the man's spirit was not pure enough for Shaolin. The repair work, the labor, the hardship was all part of the lesson. Because in truth, the master had already let him learn kung fu without ever stepping inside the temple.